state. Girl, no. You see this? You see this? You see her, right? Just remember what she looks like. Remember. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be slightly different because I'm bored. That's it. I'm bored as hell, and I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys. I feel like you don't really see this on YouTube, of this kind of content enough. It's so super easy to do. Just literally sitting here chilling. What the fuck? No, let me go customize a wig. You see the set of this wig as it is. I'm gonna transform the fuck out of her. Period. What I'm going to do first thing is straighten her because she is in a right state. Girl, no. So let's go in and straighten her. Always start from the back because I feel like that's easier, and then you work your way up. Don't worry, girl, we're gonna make you cute. We're gonna make you cute, boo. Start from the bottom. It's the tea on the beat. So make sure all of the hair is combed out, there's no knots, no tangles, nothing, and then you go in with your straightener to get that silky look that you're going for. Then in this part, you're just going to be seeing me separating the hair to where it shows a track, and you're going to see why I'm doing this in the next step. So the products you're going to need with you at hand is an eyebrow razor, some bundles, preferably platinum blonde for today's look. Then with that weft of hair, you're going to measure to see where the actual track on the wig stops. Then when you get that accurate measurement, then you're going to need to go in and cut that piece off. So in order for this to work, guys, you need bonding glue. It's a crucial step in today's process. So that's what you saw me applying to the weft, and then I'm going to go in with that same weft and glue it onto the actual track on the wig and get my blow dryer to set it in place. So again, guys, make sure you part out where you need to part. So you measure the weft just like I'm doing here to see if it matches onto the actual track on the wig. Then you make sure it's accurate, you cut that weft off, and then you go in with the bonding glue, apply it to the weft, and then put it on the actual track on the wig, and repeat until you literally hit. Also, girl, don't forget that dryer to set it in place for a quicker process. So that's literally what I'm going to be doing for half of this video. For those who don't get it, it's okay. Elise got you. Don't worry. Just keep paying attention. Keep watching closely to see what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm pretty sure it won't be too hard for you guys to understand. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys. I'm trying to do close-ups so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and how I'm applying it, and etc. Don't really get what I'm doing, just keep watching. It's the tea on the beat. after that whole process, this is how the hair turned out. It turned out better than I expected. But watch her do, little chocolate Oreo biscuit. Really nice. I loved the end result. To fill you lot in though, even though I didn't have a lot of bundles left, I still made it work, and look how it turned out. It turned out really, really cute, really, really bomb. I'm in love with it. If you want to see more videos like this, then you know, like cheap alternative videos, yeah, if you want to see more videos like that, then let me know down below in the comment. Also rate how I did through 1 to 10, and any further questions about this hair, leave everything down in the comment section below and let's communicate. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And in the words of Tyra, I hope you've learned something from this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.